Hey guys, Ramel here, and I'm on my way to my first meetup, a keyboard meetup, since COVID. Actually, I haven't gone to a keyboard meetup before, so it's like my first meetup in general. I take you guys along the journey. This is gonna be the very first vlog style that I do on this channel as well. So let me know what you guys think about this style video. But yeah, let's go. So we just got to downtown. I parked a few blocks away from the venue just because the parking here is a little bit cheaper. I know parking closer to where the venue is quite expensive, but here I think it's going to be slightly cheaper. But I'm not going to stay too long, but yeah, let's go. So I just walk into the venue right now. Got a desk mat that I'm supposed to drop off. But yeah, downtown right now. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Haven't been in downtown in so long. My wife and I used to come here all the time. Almost there.
Apex Keyboards. So welcome to the meetup, and I'm really glad that everyone's here. Looks like we had a really great turnout this time. I think we're going to start out with some giveaways from Marodi caps.
Okay, wait, should I just like go through everything?
On camera. Oh my God.
So I didn't really talk to the camera at all during the actual meetup. I got a lot of footage of the keyboards, the space, and the event in general, but I did zero talking to the camera at all, and I think my shyness got the best of me, and I haven't really done this normally. This is definitely my first vlog style, so I'm not too comfortable pointing the camera at me in front of all these people and talking to the camera, but definitely gonna try and be a little bit more engaging for future meetups and videos. It was really nice to meet all the people there as well. Pretty awesome to put names to faces of people that I normally talk to or see on the Discord but don't know what they look like. But most of the people were wearing masks anyways, so it's really hard to tell. But I think overall it was a really, really great experience. Hopefully I get to meet and say hi to more of you at the next meetup. If I didn't say hi to you, definitely was my shyness. I am a very shy individual. A huge shout out to the organizers and the sponsors of the event. I'll have them in the description below, but they put together a pretty awesome event for our community, and really excited to see all the future events as well. Okay, just finished the meetup. That was pretty cool. Met a lot of people in there. Touched a lot of keyboards, used a lot of keyboards.